Okay, Rico here, and my latest project is to upgrade my flight simulator from Flight Simulator X to XPlane. And my flight simulator used FSU IPC, an Arduino, and all these switches and everything on the front here to get data over to the flight simulator. And I wanted to do an upgrade to that, so I put Wireshark online. I wanted to upgrade to, one flight simulator is now XPlane, and then here's XPlane with the display opened up, and you can see the barometric pressure here. I wanted to start with that one because the one switch right here is setting the Colesman. I'm duplicating that effort right here with this encoder and replacing the Arduino with Raspberry Pi. And then what we're going to do is do it over a network using, let's see if that helps a little bit, over the network with UDP. And what we got going on here was, the first thing I did was I wanted to decode the packets coming from XPlane. So I got them coming in right here. And the interesting part is the numbers are sent as a float, which is these 4 bytes. The interesting part was converting them into a float, which I have displayed right here where the cursor's back and forth, and then having to convert the number back to 4 bytes and then back over to the simulator. And that was some interesting math. I actually found some good online resources here, and you can see where I was doing the math and trying to figure it all out, if that's visible. But anyhow, good online documentation for that. And then I don't have the rotary encoder. I wrote the rotary encoder in a separate application, which I need to integrate the two together. But for now, I just use the up and down arrow keys. And right there you can see the barometric pressure going up and down. So it's working. And then the next step will be to integrate all the switches and everything in. And that's why I got this board here on this other Raspberry Pi, which eventually I've mounted over there in place of the Arduino, but then I can mount all my rotary encoders and switches to this, and then start flying again. I'll post another video when I get the encoder integrated with the UDP software. So anyhow, that's what I've been working on here lately. So, Rico out.